artists! Today we will learn how to draw an iPhone 17 Pro Max step by step. And let's start drawing together.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw a tall rectangle. This will be the shape of our phone. Now draw two rectangles inside the big rectangle. Draw a big rectangle at the bottom. Draw one small rectangle at the top. Perfect! Inside the top rectangle, draw some circles for the camera. Awesome! Now it looks like a real camera. Now move to the bottom rectangle. Draw the Apple logo in the center. Great work! Nice job, everyone! Our iPhone drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp so the artwork really pops.
La da 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 dee.
Wow, it is looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color our phone. Show your color pens. Ready? Let's color. Orange color.
Wow!
Deep orange color. Silver color. Blue color. Amazing coloring, everyone! Your iPhone drawing looks fantastic. Thank you for drawing with Toddlers Art Hub today. Keep practicing, keep coloring, and keep making fun drawings. See you in the next fun drawing lesson. Bye-bye, little artists!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.